Hello, 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 and welcome back to Glamour J. Wow, it's been 20 days. 20 days. Unbelievable. Well, I'm just coming back and making a quick vlog. I am now in the process of honestly starting these. I have Luna with me, so hopefully she doesn't act up on us. Here's Luna. Here's my baby girl. She doesn't like to share mommy, so she gets a little defensive when other babies are around us. So she gets growly. So if you hear her growl, that's what's happening. These past 20 days have been physically on me. And I can't complain. I really can't, because Ray did at least 90% of it as moving it. I did all the packing exception of one room, which was his guitar room. And I understand. I mean, that's something that's his space. I don't want to get into something that he wants something certain way. You know, I totally respect that. I had enough to worry about. So that one room was, you know, nice. But for these 20 days, I had put if you hear the babies in the background, I think it's Paloma. Yeah, it's Paloma and Badness playing right now. These 20 days honestly has been a wake-up call for me. I didn't think it was going to affect me the way it did. I was really taken back how much pain it elevated my levels. It was just unbelievable. To be honest, I do take a pain pill, but I only take it at night. And before this move, I would take it maybe every other day. I mean, I don't like taking pills. I really don't. Well, during this, Paloma, you want to go outside? Hold on just for a moment. Alright, I'm back. A lot more steps. So that's another thing, you know, I'm not used to all of these steps and using those hip joints, and yeah, I'm only getting younger. But you know what, it's good. It's good that I'm using these muscles, believe me. I do the exercises that I was taught through therapy, and you know, it's just a life-changing. One thing I do want to state is that the vlogs are coming. It's just been really trying to, how do you put it, get things settled. There are things that I've not seen for years. I mean, years. Since moving from Kansas and having the moving company moved us, you know, there are things that we didn't get into, like the family photos of his children and my children, and you know, it's a blended family, and I love having the family tree on the wall. Now it's going to happen. You know, I just found those Saturday. You know, Ray found the bread maker that my mother given me. Probably the same age as my son. And so it's been tough, you know. Before letting the babies outside, I got a little sad there. A lot of it was the pain, you know. All the years of growing up, you know, I've done a lot of moving, and moving does not bother me. Change doesn't scare me. It's just what scared me this time now, is I wasn't able to keep up. I wasn't able to do what I used to do. That was tough. That was really tough. I can remember, you know, hours and hours and hours of moving, and I guess he's telling me, Jay, you've done your part. And I'm very blessed to have a man in my life that picked up what I couldn't do. And that was really heavy on me because I'm very strong and very independent and I'm very hard-headed. And it's not a control thing. It's just I like the independence, knowing what I had endured in my life. I like to know I'm able to do it, you know, and I had to learn to rely on somebody during this process. So, yes, these 20 days have been tough. But it's been a good growing toughness, if that makes sense. So, there hasn't been really a lot going on in my social media, and the reasoning is I had to become okay. I had to make sure my inner spirit was being filled and trusting and believing that He is there watching over Ray and I and my family. My brother, he had a heart attack. You know, my children, there's a lot of things. Raise babies, kids, family, there's a lot. And so the 20 days, like those 40 days that we're going through right now. But anyway, the vlogs are going to be coming. I just wanted to make this short one and let you know I'm okay. Ray is now healing. He is having, we're only getting younger, guys. He's doing good. He's doing better now. I made him take a day off yesterday. I made him say, no more unpacking today. We need to just escape. And we had a nice cup of coffee at Starbucks. We had gone to a thrift shop that we haven't done for quite a while. And he found this really cool, I don't know about guitars, but he said he found the diamond, the rough diamond. It was a Fender Precision Electric something. Don't get me wrong. I don't know. I apologize. I should know, but he'll let you know what it is. But, yeah, he was like a little, he deserved that. All the hard work he did, he deserved that. So, we met a beautiful lady at the German bakery yesterday. We had a good sandwich. And, sweetheart, sweet, sweet young lady. I just became friends with her on social media. I love her. She is such a good spirit. And, the kids are talking to each other. You hear Ava talking to Luna. I guess I can come down let her in. She come with me. So, and then what did we do? Oh my goodness, I'm trying to remember. Oh, we went to different places, just to window shop, kind of situation. You gonna come with me, Ava? Well, then come on. Let me show you her. I don't know if you guys can see her. Ava, you gonna come with Mama? Come with Mama. Ava, we're at 13 minutes. We gotta make a short one. Say, I love you, Mom. I'm the glam girl. Are you the glam girl? Yeah. You okay? I'll go get him. She's the bossy glam girl. So, but yeah, let me go get, let me show you the babies. Hold on. I don't want this to. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. No, you can't do that, princess. There's the babies. There's Puppy Chulo. Come on. Someone's asking for you. Oh, of course, there's Miss Blues. You want in? Oh, you want back out. Oh, and there's Badness. He's just, yeah, okay. Okay, no, okay. They're like children. They're always, not happy. So, sorry about all the movement. My little hand stick is a little loose. Okay, so, are you going to come up with me and Ava? Gotta love her. So, but yeah, I just wanted to come on. I didn't mean to get emotional there, guys. I really miss sharing with all of you. And it's coming. I just wanted you guys to know I had to get okay. I had to, ooh, there's a fire department. I had to feel okay. Let me set you guys down. Sorry about that. So that's what's been happening is Hope you guys have a good angle. I don't want to... There we go. Yeah, it's starting to look like a little bit of Christmas in here. It is so much fun. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. And, yeah. I miss you guys. I miss my family, my friends. But things are good. Believe me, things are good. My mind is better. My body is healing the best it can. So I love you. I love you more than anything. We have been going, not me, the world has been going through a difficult time. So I've been doing a lot of praying for family and friends. And so, especially family. Watching over my family. Please, I love you. Be good to yourself. Be good to yourself. You just don't know. And it's okay to slow down. And it's okay that you can't do what you used to do. It's okay. You are okay. You're going to make it. So, when you see these things being posted out there sometimes on my Facebook or Instagram or Tumblr or anything in my social media, that's part of me saying, you know what, Jay? You're not alone. You're not alone. Have a good day. I love you. It's the sirens. God bless you. Luna Bella. Ava. Oh my goodness. We're good. We'll talk soon. I'll be back. Glamour Jay is coming back. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Okay, Ava. You're gonna say goodbye. You're tired. It's been a busy day. So we got makeup on. We can't go any further than this. Yeah, okay. We love you guys. We're out. Okay, guys. Mommy, take me to my glam room. We love you guys. Happy Valentine's Day.